Right, well, let's head now to the Orlando Magistrate's Court, where Chriselda Lewis is standing by, bringing us the court proceedings after the shooting in Soweto at the Nomzamo Tavern.
Emanate from other dockets that were combined with the Nomzamo one. We've got about 4 cases from Orlando subs and 2 from Cliptown subs, which are then all combined into one docket to formulate charges that they've appeared for, which is 19 charges of murder and multiple counts of attempted murder. I can't remember the exact number, robbery with aggravating circumstances and defeating the ends of justice.
Can you confirm the nationalities of the accused?
2 of the accused are South African nationals and the 3 other are Lesotho nationals.
Is there a Lesotho murder ring operating in the Orlando area? Are you investigating anything of the nature?
Well, investigations are progressing very well. At this stage, we do suspect that it is a syndicate that wanted to control your mining, your abandoned mines, your dumping sites, and the cable theft syndicate. But for now, it's just our suspicion. Investigations, as they progress, will be able to have more answers.
In regards to accused number 5, I hear that he was helping the police try to arrest some of the suspects that were there. Why have you decided to charge him? Because his lawyer says you charged him on Saturday. Why all along have you not charged him?
Well, as I've said, that some of the information as it comes forward, investigations must be conducted to verify the information that was brought by one of the accused. And unfortunately, we cannot divulge much into the strategy that we are going to use or operate in this kind of a case.
I'm planning to turn him a state witness.
We cannot be talking about turning accused persons into state witnesses at this stage when investigations are not yet concluded. We'll first allow the process of investigation to unfold, and we'll be guided by the direction in which the investigation takes in order for us to decide which of the accused may be used as state witnesses. At this stage, we are not using anyone as a state witness. All accused are charged and as they appeared before court.
I know there's currently a court order for us not to show the accused faces, but can you confirm that the 5 people that appeared today before court are the same people that were released by the police, the names that were released by the police? Is there any linkage between what the police have released with what we saw today?
I'm not understanding released in what terms, were they arrested and they were released or released of the names?
Yes.
Okay. Unfortunately, as the NPA, we cannot confirm that particular statement, and as you have heard in court that there is an outstanding ID parade that must be conducted, and it's for securing the identities of the accused persons before the ID parade can be conducted. So for protection of their identities, we are not going to confirm that as the NPA.
Are the suspects also linked to the murder of Homo Sodial? I heard you mentioning a Cliptown case.
I'm not privy to the information that is contained in the Cliptown docket. All I know is that there are 2 dockets from Cliptown. So as to whether or not it's one connected to the Diale matter, we already know that there is an accused person appearing at Protea Court in relation to that murder. So at this stage, I cannot confirm whether or not it is also linked to the Diale murder up until I've been briefed about the contents of that docket.
How confident are you that you're going to be able to bring some of the suspects that are in Lesotho?
Well, the process of extraditing the outstanding suspects has already begun. The investigating officers are working closely with an advocate at the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions here in the Gauteng Local Division. So that process is underway.
How many suspects are you extraditing?
We don't want to confirm the number of suspects because, as I've said, that investigations are ongoing. And as in when more information comes up, it must be verified and follow the leads. So it is difficult to say at this stage exactly how many people that the state is looking for.
So essentially there could be more than 5 people involved in this murder.
What we can just confirm as the NPA is that investigations are ongoing and more arrests are imminent.
And is there any truth to say that there are some of the accused that are in Lesotho saying that they're waiting for the elections and then maybe they might start to bring themselves to justice here?
Well, we don't want to take a word of a person that is a suspect to a criminal investigation. We can only rely on our efforts and the knowledge that we have as the state, also the resources that we have to continue with the investigation.
I just want to ask you, are you confident with this case? Are you confident that you have the right people?
There is a prima facie case against all 5 suspects, as I've already alluded earlier. In terms of the strength of the state case, that will be put to the test during the trial stage, and the court will be able to answer that question in due course.
Do any of the accused people have links with any politicians in Lesotho or linked to any political party in Lesotho, as we've seen reports?
We don't have such information at our disposal as the NPA.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Cindy. Okay, Mfundo,
Well, that there is Pindim Jonondwane from the National Prosecuting Authority speaking to media outside the Orlando Magistrates Court, where we saw the case against the suspects who are accused of that shooting at Nomzamo Tavern. That case being postponed until the 18th of October. And of course, the NPA quite confident in their case moving forward, saying investigations are ongoing, more arrests are also imminent.